In a world where businesses either adapt or fade away, digital transformation is the key to unlocking your organization's future. Introducing our digital transformation template, the sole tool to empower you to revolutionize your business, outpace your competition, and capitalize on profitable business possibilities. Get ready to redefine success and embark on a transformational journey. Get our digital transformation template and equip your organization with the capacity to thrive in the digital age. This PPT bundle is your guide through the 6 stages of digital transformation, where each stage drives your organization toward reshaping its destiny. This pre-designed PowerPoint slide reveals steps to elevate your organization's potential. You also engage customers with captivating experiences, transform products with cutting-edge innovation, optimize operations for seamless efficiency, and empower employees to realize their full potential. This PPT layout facilitates an end-to-end approach, encompassing strategic solution selection and streamlined integration, culminating in a trajectory toward more efficient business operations. Experience a paradigm shift in your organization's digital journey with our powerful 4-stage flow chart template. Step into a future of digital success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to reshape your organization's destiny. Get started with our digital transformation template and lead the way.